Question 4. Given gx is modulus 6 minus 2x, find the values of x if gx equals to x. Okay, so gx is 6 minus 2x, gx equals to x. That means 6 minus 2x equals to x. So here we move the modulus that side, it will become plus minus x. So you get two different answers. 6 minus 2x is positive x and 6 minus 2x is negative x. Okay, so you bring the x over that side, we get x plus 2x equals to 6. Therefore, 3x equals to 6. Sorry, that's not the final answer. X will equal to 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Here, we bring the x, the negative 2x that side. So we get 2x minus x is 6, therefore x is 6. Done. Okay. Next, let's look at question 5. Function f is defined as this. Given f2 is 7, f4, okay, find the value of m and of c. So fx is mx plus c and f2 is 7. Okay, so let's look at what is f2. So if fx is mx plus c, f2 will be 2m plus c equals to 7. Okay, let's look at what is f4. So they said f4 is negative 1. So f4 is negative 1. f4 will be, substitute 4 inside here and you get 4m plus c equals to negative 1. So now we got two equations we have to solve simultaneously. Okay, so the easiest way I can see is equation 1, we multiply it by 2. So we get 4m plus 2c equals to 14. So let's name this equation 3. So we can solve equation 2 and 3. So equation 3, you minus equation 2, you get 4m plus 2c is 14. Minus of with 4m plus c is negative 1. Okay, we minus this equation with this equation. How we can minus? Because we got 4m, 4m. That's the whole reason we multiplied it by 2 lah. Okay, let's solve this. 4m minus 4m will cancel off. 2c minus c is c. 14 minus negative 1 is 15. So we got c is 15. Now you want to find m. You can sub this value into any of the equations. Okay, let's just take equation 2 for example. So 4m plus 15 is negative 1. So m will be negative 1 minus 15 divided by 4. So this gives us negative 4. So c is 15, m is negative 4. Done. Okay, let's look at b. Oh, before that, let's write this down. So our fx is negative 4x plus 15. Okay. B. The image of 2 under f. So 2 is the object, we need to find the image. So we need to find f2. So we know the equation of fx is negative 4x plus 15. So f2 will be negative 4, 2 plus 15. Negative 8 plus 15. This will give us 7. So f2 is 7. AKA the image of 2 is 7. Okay, done. Last one, let's look at C. Okay, the value of x that is unchanged under the mapping of f. Unchanged means when you map something, let's say when you map 5, you get 5, or when you map x, you get x. Okay, so your object is x, your image is also x, so you can say fx equals to x. Okay, so negative 4x plus 15 equals to x. So now let's find what's x. Negative 4x we bring there, so 15 is 4x plus x, giving us 5x. Therefore x is 15 divided by 5, so we get 3. This is the answer. Okay, so they can either say that the value of x is unchanged, or in other words they can say mapped onto itself. Okay, if like the x and the fx is the same value, they will say it is mapped onto itself.